here. Respected Sister Principal, honorable teachers, and dear Marians. I am Navsar, and I, Trisha, of Standard 6, standing in front of you all to conduct today's special assembly on account of Guru Nanak Jayanti. Trisha, do you know who was Guru Nanak Dev Ji? Yes, it's curious. He was the holy person, the founder of Sikhism, and he was the first Guru of Sikhs. Now to show the teachings of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, let's begin our special assembly by connecting our souls with the divine. Celebration through internal purification, which means, according to him, salvation comes from the heart, spirit, and soul, and not from the pilgrimage. And the Guru is the true source of knowledge, who shows the path of enlightenment. Look out kindly, join your hands, close your eyes, and bring peace in your minds.
Dear Almighty, we gather here today to commemorate the birth anniversary of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, a beacon of light, love and compassion. May his teachings guide us on the path of righteousness, unity and service to humanity. May his message of Ek Onkar, one God, remind us the oneness of humanity. May we strive to follow in his footsteps, promoting love, peace and harmony in our thoughts, words and actions. May Guru Nanak's wisdom illuminate our minds and hearts, improving us to become better individuals and responsible citizens. May Guru Nanak's divine light be with us and guide us on our life journey and bring peace, joy and prosperity to our life. May the blessings of Guru Nanak Dev Ji be with us, illuminating our lives with love, kindness and spiritual fulfillment. Amen. Kindly take page number 26.
उठे अज भी वरते देख बाबा
Pleasant morning to one and all present over here. I, Husband God of Standard 6th B, feel honored to get this opportunity of sharing values on Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Guru Nanak Dev Ji has been one of the greatest messengers of God on this earth ever. He was born in 1469 in Talwandi, which is now in Pakistan. He traveled widely teaching people about love and truth. He left this material world in 1539 at the age of 70. Guru Nanak Dev Ji founded Sikhism, a religion based on love, truth, harmony with love, and peaceful coexistence. Guru Nanak Dev Ji's teachings are recorded in Guru Granth Sahib Ji, a sacred book of Sikhs. The Mool Mantra recited by Guru Nanak Dev Ji is one of the most important and valuable teachings. The Mool Mantra tells us about the glory of God. The Mool Mantra by Guru Nanak Dev Ji is Ek Omkar Satnam Karta Purakh Nirpau Nirvair Akal Murat Ajuni Sapam Gur Prasad. It means that God is one. His name is true. He is creator and doer of everything. He is beyond time, birth and death. Only one can attain godliness only through the grace of great Guru. That is Shabad. Thus, Guru Nanak Dev Ji emphasized of devotion to God, living honestly, and sharing and caring with others. Guru Nanak Dev Ji established community kitchens called langars to promote brotherhood and love among people. Thank you. May you find peace and wisdom in every step you take in your life. Thank you and be blessed.